How to swap Solana on Trust Wallet. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Trust Wallet. Enter your login credentials as in your user ID and the password, and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage of Trust Wallet. Well, if you scroll down, you'll see some of the cryptos that you use regularly. But you will not be able to see Solana. You will have to add it here, so click on Manage Crypto. Well, in the source bar, you need to search for Solana. Once you have found it, what you want to do is toggle on this button of Solana. Once you have enabled, go back to your home page. Now scroll all the way down. You'll see that the Solana has been added. Now over here, tap on Solana. And you need to see whether the options are available or not. You can see that the send and receive options has been activated. Now in order to swap, what you want to do is go back to your home page. In the bottom right corner, click on browser. In the source bar, search for Radium. It will open up on your browser. Click on the very first link. You have to click on Launch App. Well, the application has been opened up. Well, if you haven't connected to your Trust Wallet account, then click on this wallet icon at the top right corner and then log into your account. Once the account has been logged in, it will land you on this page. Well, now you need to select the Solana in the From section. And in the To section, you have to select the currency that you want to swap the Solana. For now, I'm going to select USDT. After that, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to swap. Let me enter 100 for now. Now you have to enter the swap button if you want to initiate the swapping process. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can swap Solana on Trust Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.